Guys, good morning. So, yan, dito tayo ngayon sa Clark International Speedway. Ito, kakapasok lang namin. Meron tayo event natin nandito. It's the K-Car Endurance, 2 hours endurance race. Kami magta-track and gusto namin masubukan. It's too hard to pass dito sa event na to. Ito si Mika, my beloved and trusted daily. Gagamitin nating sasakyan is K-Care. Nandiyan sa gilid, mamaya papakita natin. So ngayon hinihintay lang namin yung kasama namin isa kasi as far as I know, please correct me if I'm wrong, required siya na 3 drivers for the endurance race. So ang plano ko lang talaga, isasamahan ko lang talaga sana si Kier dito and manonood lang talaga ako ng race ng endurance. Tapos hindi ko naman in-expect na mapaparegister kami. And ayun. So tatlo kami magdadrive kay Uno. Kami nga pala ang Team Uno. Dito lang kami muna sa parking. Ang ganda ng lighting. Ayan, maluwag. Maluwag pa kasi wala pang tao. Medyo napaaga kami kasi galing pa kami ng Manila. So ayun, update tayo mamaya guys. Pag nakapasok na tayo sa may paddock. Good morning guys ulit. Ayan, si Kier. Siya yung may-ari.
Good morning.
Siya yung owner ni Uno, yung gagamitin nating sasakyan for today's event. So ngayon naglalakad lang kami papunta sa registration. Ang dami magagandang sasakyan, umaga pa lang. So expect natin mamaya, siguro mas maraming magandang sasakyan mamaya. May 8 hours endurance tomorrow. So ngayon siguro parang trial event nila sa mga low displacements. So ayun, tingnan natin kung ano mangyari mamaya. Ang ganda ng ilaw dito. Welcome to Clark International Speedway. Yay! Hi sir, morning.
Morning.
Morning po. Tariat office. Today's registration. Nandito na si JP, ang aming official racer. Ang nagpasok ng racing sa aming samahan. Hindi naman, pero isa siya sa nag-start. So tailan natin siya para abangan ko na lang diretso siya ng registration para hindi na maglalakad-lakad ulit. Kakatapos lang namin mag-register. Ito si JP. Yeah! Welcome to the club. So ayan, number 22. 22 kami.
Attention to all pumipasok pa endurance challenge drivers.
25 liters. So
Dalawa o isa lang?
yung isang malaki,
Race track
25. Tapos yung isa, 10. Maliit.
Open.
Yun na, race track is now open. So pwede na tayo
Kasi
mag-practice.
yung Bonifacio muna yung mag-practice. Sunod tayo.
Okay.
Anong oras ba yung briefing?
Set. Naka-schedule parang eh.
Just pa yata yun.
Mauuna practice bago briefing?
Oo, practice.
May single seater.
So ayan, may mga ginagawa din dito, mga Vios, tapos may Civic. Kasi ito hindi ko alam kung anong sasakyan yon. Single seater. So ayan, tapos na namin mag-register. Try namin maglalagay and waiting na lang. Nandito kami ngayon sa paddock. Ito yung gagamitin namin sasakyan, si Uno. Ito si Uno, iyon ni Kier.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe?
We, dear fans, congratulations. We have our first runners-up,
Team Uno car number 22. Congratulations, Keeper Andy Martinez. You are there with John Paul Jose.
Nandiyan sila sa camera.
Number 2. Hey.
Binigay kay Do?
Hey. Number 2. Number 2.
And for the champion.
Yung 1, 2.